Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different, a little more laid back. I'm going to be doing a get lit with me, get ready with me video, and this is inspired by Shelby Triglia. I saw her do it and it looked super fun, so I thought that I would try it out. And if you guys want to see what goes down, go ahead and keep watching. I'm not really going to be doing a lot of talking throughout this video. I'll just kind of show you what I'm doing. So to start off, I'm going to be taking this BH Cosmetics Day and Night palette, and I'm only using one shade from this. This yellow one right there, just as a transition. Let's hope I don't get copyrighted. This look's going to be super simple. Now going into the Morphe 35B palette, taking this one, and the rest of the shades are going to be from this palette. Hey, we could be so in love. I'm counting them up. Going back to the first one, just to add that and blend again. I can hear my ex calling. Don't know why. Eyes are going to be super simple, so I'm going in with this shade on the middle and outer lid. You're my faded love. Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me home. You've been switching up, baby. I'm gonna take this highlighter that I got from, I don't even know where I got this. It's broken, looks like this, and I'm gonna use this on the inner part of my lid. Taking that same highlight, getting that in a corner. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch. This is Milani Prime Perfection. I'm going to go ahead and apply my Dodo lashes in D301 off camera, and I will be right back. Lashes are dead. I'm going to take the Maybelline 24-Hour Superstay Foundation in the shade Classic Ivory, because I'm white. Take my number, this shit oxidizes so bad. Maybelline, get it together. Real Technique sponge.
Yo, let me keep it real. Let me not pretend. Everyone knows you see not the one. He's acting up, and I'll be on my way. All these options on your plate.
Blend that shit in real good. Taking my Tarte Shape Tape in Light Sand. Hey.
Well, number two, if you heard shit that ain't come from me, then don't believe it. You get switching up, like girl ain't even really me. So when I catch you like it, don't say shit, prepare your ass for this beat. Cause on site means on site.
Taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C5 on my zip.
Well, number two, if you heard shit that ain't come from me, then don't believe it. Cause I hate a bitch that like to post shit that before you see it, she delete it. To be left
Now I'm taking the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour and Call Me Maple. Eco Tools brush.
Oh, this strip club anthem, nigga, what's up?
Your money.
2-3s.
I tell all my hoes.
Rake it up. Back it up. Fuck it up, fuck it up. Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. Rake it up, rake it up, rake it up.
Blending out my concealer with that same sponge.
Baby, I want you simple and you're crazy. Love don't mean nothing without you. It don't mean a thing without you. My heart can never do. Love don't mean nothing without you. It don't mean a thing without you. No, I would never lie to you. I belong to you.
Taking my Cody Air Spun to set my face.
No, I would never lie to you. That's what my heart can never do. Don't mean a thing without you. It just ain't.
Baking my whole entire nose. Because your girl gets super oily. Taking this brush to just set the rest of my face.
But just a couple days you look in the mirror with no eyelashes and shit.
Taking my Wet n Wild contour palette. Just a tiny bit.
Yeah. Came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dog. We gon' see how hard they ride. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide.
Taking my Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. Taking my matte Fix Blush. Taking my iconic London Illuminator drops in Original. But I know I'm gonna be fine, and I gave you my all, so when you call, I decline. Taking my Maybelline Master Chrome Highlight in Molten Gold. Had a good girl, baby. I was always there when you oh, and I was always on time. And I gave you my all, so now you call, I decline. And I gave you my all, so now you call, I decline. Oh, baby, you don't get to play. Just smoking out my lower lash line with that yellow. I'm bad feeling, but I'm your cigarette. Back in with that white shade. NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. Maybelline Falsies. Taking my e.l.f. brow gel.
Take a shot like a friend, just enjoy the moment. Sky walking on these haters. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up.
Taking Candy K by Kylie Cosmetics and Buxom Gloss and Star. Hey, take.
Side the rack in the back, it was happening. 40 Glock, snap my hands, ain't no need for no caption. I got put on my phone, niggas wasn't need for no balance. Coming through right up, hit him with. I be on bullshit, I be on bullshit, I be on bullshit. I'm in the form, I'm in love with a hood.
I give it that good.
On some drunk bullshit.
30K, 20. Audemars cost 100K. Got a bad bitch with me and her friend cute. Little butt crack strong in that skirt. She gon' hold that 30 in her pocket.
He's something that I never had. Something that you never be. Hit a switch on a fake bitch like a station. Sex switch and all of the line. 5 fingers on it, 5 fingers. Alright guys, guys, so that completes today's look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and getting lit with me and listening to some of my favorite songs right now. I really enjoyed making this video and I actually love the way this look turned out. It's super simple, super colorful and spring. And if you guys enjoyed this video, do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, letting me know that you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you are not already. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!